Greetings friends and fans of Crazy Factory Build, welcome to my channel. I am back almost at the end of the week with the new episode of Gigafactory. Last time we finally finished the production of train rails. Well, I will be never able to pronounce that correctly, just live with that. And today we have lots task to do, I think. Especially those which should define how our base will look like in the future. Now, I need to decide which should be where. So, for that, I need to decide some very important things like where I should put the... yeah. We cannot use this tile off right now because we are missing those train tracks over there. That will be problematic. Right now we need some cliff explosives. Oh yeah, and we not even know the technology yet. Okay, so what I should do with you? I can maybe use this part of the train tracks for something. I don't know, maybe move that belt there. No. Let's cancel that belt for a time beam and place properly that block. And after that we decide where this belongs. Which should be the purpose of this one. Purpose of this block. Like that, yeah. Okay, we almost can fit those train tracks over there. The next one will be here. And now... you should stop trying to place those. Or those, or those. This can fit. No, this can fit. However, we have rails over here, which is fine. We are doing... oh, we did all that research, so now we have finally those. Okay, and those and those. However, yeah, I'm missing a lot of things. Now, let's deal with that belt full of stone first, because we cannot stop the producing train rails. So you will go there, and then from here through here, and then around that over there. Yeah, it's a mess. It's a working mess. And temporary mess, most importantly. So you will go there, you will go there. And of course, as always, thank you all for your comments in the comment section, for your advice, and that you sometimes alert me that you notice some of my mistakes, which is much helpful, I must say. Okay, now, what I need for those? Iron plates and green circuits. Well. So, now... let's start to be serious with trains. Because we need... this thing. Which can be placed right there. Okay. But this time with normal train stops. And this will be our main station to distribute trains. And then we need something like that. But I never prepared this blueprint. Like without those. We don't need those right now. We need to import it again to make the copy of it. Then remove output thingy and remove boxes, belts, and those, and even those. I want just the empty train station without nothing, which should be placed right there. And in the future even there. Okay. Because these train stations will be working like refill stations to fuel the trains. Now, give me more of those. And let's find some green circuit somewhere. Not over there. Okay, we're almost done all that, but we have that box. Give me those. And we have lots of iron plates on that belt. Can be handy. Now, I need like 10 these and all which I can make not belts, please. All those. And all those rain signals. Okay, let's clear that belt, which is too full of iron plate right now. Everything needs to go into my inventory. Okay, and those. And even more those. Okay. That should cover part of our... yeah. Part of our logistic with trains, but first... yeah, we need to produce some motors very soon. But first what I want to... which I want to... actually design... Can you be... no. Maybe we can do some things like that. Just temporary fix. Oh. You actually don't need to be there right now. You can be there. And that's mean... yeah, this will be a quite crazy thing. And the train signal needs to be there and actually there, I hope. So at least this station will work. Now, the TSM have special settings to make automatically refueling your trains, all trains, not only those which are in serving like the supply trains in supply manager, and you need to do the full fuel stop train station. So fuel stop, and if you are using one locomotive, you continue with one. If you're using two locomotive on beginning of the or end of your train, or two at the beginning, you will use fuel stop 2, and so on. Hopefully I understand it correctly. So this will be our fuel stop. Cannot pronounce properly. Okay. Then this next one need to be finished. And for that I need more those. I should start to do this automatically, right? Yeah, I know. We will get there very, very soon. But first, give me like 10 of those. Maybe more. We have enough of those. We need to deal with that coal in our inventory, but right now we are fine. Can I make trains? No, we need steel and energy units. That will be our next task. But first, this is with the normal one. So this was designed with supplier train stop, but I don't want those over here. I just want train depot only. And then hopefully I can copy that one. No, no, not remove. I said copy. Can I copy the train station? Yes. No? Okay, first we need to place those. Depot, 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 and copy place the same name for that station. So all those are train depot, which is fine. Now, this one, it's a fuel stop. The same we will apply to the bottom one. Hopefully we have another of those. I don't think this needs to be actually a supply train station. It could be only this one. And if I have something like that, I would like to put the box over there. Have two of those, so you will fill that, you will fill that. Now, and I'm a little bit out of options with how to space this. So maybe I need to do a very special train tracks in here. Let me find that, which is a normal train station. Prepare for that. Something like that I am trying to looking to find. And no, I know how to do it. You need to remove that. This should stay. You should be gone. And a little bit down. That's too much. Oh, already removed that. So train can come over here and continue there back into the wilderness. Now, the same thing I need to apply over here. And that will be even more fun than I thought. Because we need to supply those boxes to fuel the train with another supply train, right? Yeah. Actually, yeah, maybe, but then I cannot put that over there. This is too narrow space for doing it like that. How I should continue? Because train can come. You know what? Screw that. Let's use. Let's be smart. Okay, let's remove all that. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Even that. And hopefully that was actually what I placed over there. Sure. It was right? Yeah. Hopefully I hit exactly what I need. Now, oh. Okay, my bad. Train depot and the normal one depot, normal train tracks there with the train stop there, which should call which should we call the fuel stop number 1. Sure. Now we will do the same thing, but this time we will be very smart and use output rain tracks over there. Sure. Okay, with this time, can I make a request train stop right there? I don't care about that, but I care about this beginning. Everything else can go. So we will have 2 boxes, and we will bring those boxes with belts into those boxes. Yeah, it's a lot of using the word of box, but I hope you have the idea. Something like that. Right, and this one over there. And I am doing this because I want to have the opportunity in the future. We need to find some power right there. The opportunity to change the fuel for our trains, because right now we will be starting with coal, but in the future we want more faster trains, so we probably be using maybe some solid fuel, and in the distant future maybe even the uranium fuel to have trains really fast. From here. There. Perfect lineage. Okay, so... and we need another power pole there, which should be easy because we have power right there. Okay. And this should work automatically when the train stop on there. It should be filled with... okay, and yes, we don't have those yet. We have those, but nobody making them. So let's use some shitty power poles right now. Okay, we have fuel train stop. Now we need something else, and that's to finally figure out how this thing works. Okay, request train stop. Request name fuel stop 101. Oh, I'm idiot. And I make another one. Fuel stop 01. I don't want to do that. I want the same name. Hopefully it should be working. I need this one to fix. So, we will need some lamps. Can we make some lamps? Yes, if we have copper cables. Okay. And we finish all that research, so let me check what we can research next. Yeah, steel, advanced material processing, steel furnaces, why not? Bigger binding drum product, maybe later. Concrete, yes, we need that. Actually, we can do that, even though right now we don't need it. Military tool. Did I stop that? Okay. I thought I already did it. And the bolt production, because we need to make cliff explosive, which will very easy our life right now. So I was on my way. Let's make some landfill, all that landfill to do something with those. Oh, copper cables. And when I'm here, okay, few of those, please. And also some decider combinators. That will be handy. And rain stop. Let's use green wire for this one. Now, I must admit that I watch how to use those things, but not carefully enough. So hopefully, so maybe I will goof up this thing right now, but it doesn't matter like that. So now I will take you to there and you to there. How much you can contain? It's 48, so 250. Okay. So if the, where is it? If is the coal less than, we also can use maybe item count. Who knows where that is? Maybe in cluster 2 only. It's less than, I don't know, 1000. Output go signal 1. Now connect it to the requester and to the counter. In the requester we said if the call, which maybe we use different signal. Which signal we can request? Train? Yeah, let's use train 1. So if the call is less than 1k, request train to supply, and if the train signal, which is, where is it? Where is that icon? Over there. It's less than, now very special signal, which should be in TSM. No, where is it? Over here. Train's on the way. So if we have, if we have less than 1 train, you will request resources. Right now we didn't we not define those resources. Well, very soon we will do that. Okay, because after this one we need to establish the mining cell or supply cell with coal. And I think last time we found the big big cell with coal right there. However, there is another thing which I need to do. I need to manage how we will deal with those, because if we think that this could be input of this cell right there. Yeah, we need to finish it later. Right now I paste some things. We need 2 input cells, 2 input train stations. Yeah, because every cell should do only one thing. In this case we need to input iron ore and coal. So I need input of iron ore right there. Okay, and then I need maybe from this side input for coal also. Output train tracks there. However, we make a small mistake. We cannot afford that many smelters. Or can we? Only in the way, and that's one of those things which I need to figure out. If we use somehow double train station. Let's try to... No, 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 no. There is not enough space. Remove that. Okay. So, realistically... we cannot place it over here. We could do another smelter there. There. No. We need output. Input there, output there, and another input from sides. So... in terms of... no. In terms of iron ore and steel, you are producing 15, you are using 15. Okay, it's a 1-to-1, and it will be always 1-to-1. So the 4 ones should be enough to produce 2 steels. I could maybe in the future with belts place maybe the 4th one below. No, still not enough space. Okay, so the principle of this is very, very simple. We need to bring which one? This one should be cut out. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a last piece of that. So this one should be also cut out. And we cancel those on the sideways. Because we cannot afford that many. Maybe after we redesign the whole smelter to... electric furnaces with beacons, then we can maybe squeeze more on that one spot, but right now, yeah, right now we are fine with that. Now, I will cut those in the middle, at least for now, and we will redesign this steel production block like should be. Okay, I don't want to remove those, I just want to remove the belts, right? Yeah. This should slowly go out. Now we will take the belt, which will be heading up. And we will connect it over there. It's easy now. Okay, that's good. I didn't know that you can actually place something like that. Okay, let me help you a little bit with all that. Oh, let's stash some of those things. For the future use. Okay, this will be slowly outputting until it will be empty. The same I should do there. Especially because of that. We're always missing some of those, so put them in temporary boxes. Yes. Now, I can take that and distribute between those. Come on, burn all that. There will be no more belt than one. No, it will be heading up. And from this one. So, something like that. To produce the steel. Because we have that temporary belt over there. You will not take that, right? That's enough. Okay, give me all that. Now you should be mostly empty. And I can do that. So, steel smelter right there in the loop. And yes, it will constantly output, but with that we should be able to feed those boxes. Something like that. In the future, right now, cut, take all that. And actually feed... Oh, you can still have... Stop producing, please. Oh, these are still full. So if I put the iron back into the smelter, into the furnace, it should start producing steel instead. And give me that. No? Back loop of those. Here we go. Now this should be clear production of those. We will cancel that eventually, and then we need to apply the same over there. So let's cancel that and loop it back. No. Loop it back. Stupid. These cliffs are in my way, so like that, and split over there because we need a little bit of that in those machines. Then we can do that and feed the train station from the other side. And after we clear that and finish that and so on, we will do it better. Right now, yeah, steel is everywhere. We have a heap of steel. Can we use it for something where I make those? What else am I missing? Copper plates. Copper plates are easy. Okay, now give me all that. Here we go. The cobalt should be moved like that. So this is our steel smelter box, and we will apply the same setup without those wrongly placed why are you not running? Because of my mistakes. My mistakes are everywhere over here. Shut the hell up. Can we make a heap of those? Yes. Okay, let's rate a little bit of that coal for my inventory. Can you take all that? Thank you. Now, these. We can take few of those, and temporary split, and ooh, I don't need that steel beyond that point, right? I need steel from here. So if I use a red underground, or actually remove those two, can we place maybe? Yeah, maybe we can. So steel like that, steel over there. Well, oh. maybe connect everything with electric power, right? Let's use this one. Sure, you are missing power. I made several of those normal power poles, but robots probably take them who knows where. Copper. Just few plates, please. Everything should be fine after we take few not green circuits, not that, but heap of those. Steel iron stick, and for iron stick, yeah, we need that. There we go, 143. Yeah, we are producing a lot of stick. Whatever. First, turn off the robots and place that real power pole right there, which should cover you and you. Here we go. Train rails. And that box is full. Give me lots of those. And my inventory is full because I have that and that. And things which I don't really need. Lots of those shitty power poles. Okay. And for some reason, I know where I get those, but yeah. So you are producing steel, hopefully. Yes. And you are producing steel, even though you are missing like ears, copper cables. Yellow inserters. No. Just only few. Okay, so this should be very soon the production of steel. I need to grab the steel even from the other side. Yeah, that. You need steel and iron plates. Can I obtain a little bit of that? Sure I can. You need steel. There and there. Robots are not... Oh. My bad. Okay, let's take the copper plates and place them in that box. And take that inserter and place it over there. With the power pole there and there. You need also iron, right? I have empty box and a heap of iron plates, so... Shut... Right. Go! Into those. Train tracks, no. What I need to... Damn it. Steel. I need like 2 of those. There we go. And these. And you are outputting where? Nowhere, because nobody placed the proper box for that. Like there. Steel box. We should start to using steel box for those things because excuse me. Otherwise we will be in problems after we decide. Nope. I don't want those. I want tiles. Can you please stop being silly? What? Oh, put it there. Well, you have enough. You have enough. You don't have enough. Yeah, I want those two. Give me that. Give me one of those. Stupid box. You should be fill. Maybe more. Like that. And you should be cap to that. With that many in it. Yeah, I have lots of things which I don't really need right now. That's fine. Okay. So we decide how to make the steel smelter in the future now. Because we did it like that. It gave us the ideal opportunity to make this little bit more robot, mini-me friendly. And maybe you are thinking why I am doing all that and then I will remove all that. Yeah, it's a thinking process right now. Don't worry. We will have the perfect blueprint in the future. But right now we don't have those. You really don't need to be there. So another train station will be outputting, will be there. Perfect. And that train station will be there. With one of those. Like that. And with the belt which will go there eventually. Which will be full of coal. Now, where are my better power poles? Nowhere, because I take all that copper and put it in there. So I will make that later. So this should be another request stop with request light and decider combinator. Now, do we have all those? Yeah. Oh, I don't know. Whatever. This one, and I'm out of green wires. Sure. We will connect all those boxes and request the train if we are lower than, let's say, 10k or something like that. Which should be enough. Now, give me all of those. We will need a lot of green circuits in the future. Let's take that, maybe a few of those. Like that many. And steel, we have lots of steel. Iron stick. Are we producing somewhere iron stick yet? Not on the belt, however. Oh, on the belt. Awesome. 25. Where I was. Last place was there, so there. So if the call again, it's actually the same as we did down there, which not covered by a radar. Okay, let's quickly run down there. And I must say, this basic structure, the basic logistic of all that, it's take quite some time. Okay, here we go. Now, copy, and now I don't see over there. We need more radars. I should include the radars in those blueprints, right? Almost. It's fine. It's not so horrible. Okay, that. Where's my steel? Oh. This smelter doesn't produce much of steel. Really? No, it's back on bed. It's back home to be a better. There. And then we need to connect it. Give me that. Okay, maybe we should do this cable and that cable. Over there. This is our whatever. Then there and there. And again, if the train over here, I'm trying to find the train is less than special signal from TSM, which says how many trains is on its way. It should request and set okay. Maybe I should use less or equal. No. This one is just the artistic train stop. Okay, I put even those in the middle if I in the future decide to use two the trains with two wagons only. But right now, okay, let's produce some motors because we are close to that. And the same train station should be on the other side of this blue building block, so it will be outputting train station. Over there we should copy and paste this contraption. Where is the train station? Here. But instead of that, we will request much more, 20,000 of iron ore. Into those boxes, which I don't have. Come on, boxes, come on, bots. And yes, this should be also in my blueprint because I will be placing only those train stations. Now, you are not requesting because the train... Or maybe because we never set... We need to request train station. No, you should have that. Okay. So this will be our input on the other hand. Two belts going up to feed those first two smelters, the middle ones. Eventually, like that, we will connect. Everything should work itself somehow. See how we will be doing our blocks right now. But lots of things is temporary over there, and even more will be. Now there's this one. You need sticks. Have this one, which should be fine with this one. Take that, make me some sticks. We will do those. I will feed you from box. Not this one. Do I have the different one? No. Okay, I have only steel ones. With the copper, gimme few of those. Copper there. I have a lot in my inventory actually, and output there. Now shitty power poles there, and there. How much takes? 4 stacks. It takes ages to do that. No, actually, it's not a problem of assembler. It's a problem of missing green circuits, and mostly missing those blue inserters. Okay, we have a 50-minute mark. It's slowly time to end the today episode. Give me those. One? Why? Plates? Okay, we will take them over there. Somehow these are show... Oh, because I cancelled those 2 smelters. Right. Now I remember what I did. Yeah, this is not completely finished. Give me that. And we can maybe put all those into the box because I have enough those burnable power poles. I need iron plates, sure. Here are on the ground, right? So let's clear that belt. And a bunch of those. That's enough. And one please over there. Stop taking it from my hand, robots! They are useless as always. Okay, that should faster that. I can give you 2 of those. Here we go. No room for power balls. Cap to that. We are slowly starting to make some decent technologies. Now, this block is full. Only thing which is missing is the coal itself. And to coal itself, because we have that patch, and that patch is laying all in the middle of 2 cells. I decide not all cells will be connected like that. Cancel that. In that case, you don't need to be there, you don't need to be there, you don't need to be there. Whatever, that's only lights, right? Oh. We will clear this area. However, we will leave those, that's fine. Now this can be straight belt, but it doesn't matter. Like that. So, if the train needs to go over here, it needs to go around, which is fine. Except that part, because that's that end right now. However, do we have this ready? Yeah, so left side or coal. So coal over here, one there, one there. That. We almost had 1 production finish. But we still don't have that request box, right? Oh, that's fine. Okay, now we have train stop. And that should go like... we could even do something like that, I think. No? Ah. What? No? Never mind. Oh, we can use that. So we can have train station which says I am coal. And let's do the one because this is the coal patch number 1. Supply. Now, in the train manager, we have these which are requesting something. We have supply resource priority. No. Those. And we are missing one important thing actually. We need to request the supply train station, and that should be placed somewhere else. Somewhere. I see we need definitely more those yeah, minimies over there. And why are you not? Oh, because nice. Now we need to find the this will be our mining operation, another one. We have those for iron trains. Let's use maybe this one. Resource. I don't want to use that much over there. This one will be also the waiting part mostly. Where to place those? Okay. How about I move you? How about I move you down? I need to place this somewhere. Not in that... Oh. It cannot be flipped, so I need to flip them by myself. We can place you over there, actually. Which will be also laying on most of that patch. Or can we do that? No. And I will do the same thing with that one. I'm trying to avoid the most of that patch because it could be very dangerous for our enemies. Maybe do it over here. Where I place the loading train station. Because this block should produce copper ore output, the copper ore, no, input train station. One should be there, which nicely avoid all that. The second one could be, for example, over there, and that also avoid all that. Then this, I don't know, the Q. Oh, okay. I think we are able to do it with that. Okay. We cancel those to clear the path around that stone, and that should be it. We can use the undergrounds around here to feed those two loading train stations. Now, what will left us is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's say 3, 4. That the stone, and 6 for the copper. Now, can I do at least small one over here? Like in the middle, ideally. Yeah, that's a lot of thinking, but we need to design the first few blueprints, and then we can be happy with it. Because if I place that, I can use like 5 of those. Actually, I should even... Oh, it's not matter. It doesn't matter. It will always be in the way of... Maybe if I place you there-ish. No. We need to avoid those. Yeah, we don't have enough space to fully clear that. So that's a problem. I need to figure out that because that's a lot of space. I can actually take that, which is right now empty. Oh, poor little miners. And place the depot like, for example, over here. Right. Even closer to there. And have some decent space above. I have 20 in my inventory. Yeah, what a luck. Okay. And 2 of those can go straight up. Something like that. Which will leave this area a little bit more open and available for something. I even can move those. Around that corner, clear this more. So we have that area. We have some things around, train tracks, but I think it's not possible to place this correctly. At least not that. Around that, it will always cut through. I need to figure out something else, some between those two. Maybe like you cannot be extend, maybe from there, something like that. Maybe through here and do that waiting transition between these two. I will design that and we will check it in the next episode because right now I again hit the 1 hour mark. So thank you all for watching. I know this was mostly how I should do that, what the hell is that, and why I do so much mistakes episode, but it's not the first one and it's definitely not the last one. And with that information, thank you all for watching and see ya in the next episode. Bye.